Our crossovers are not intended for children under 13 years old. Storylines in the videos are complicated, mature-themed, with blood and situations which younger audience might not understand.
There's no food, no water.
Soon everyone will starve.
You're just not looking hard enough.
Then you have sentenced us to death.
Then so be it.
If it weren't for you, you'd still be alive.
Take him and get out.
Let's go.
Is Queen Jana, guardian of the Tree of Life.
We welcome all animals who need healing. Nirmala is a fierce warrior, but she's also a gentle healer. Come, my dear, what's wrong? And that is Askari, when he first discovered the roar of the elders.
You might wonder what makes the Tree of Life such a special place. The Tree of Life is home to every kind of habitat.
Oh, I shall practice my curtsy.
Don't turn your back on me, Scar.
Scurry first discovered the roar and seek on the skull.
Learn everything the roar can do. It is time.
Because it's your
I am the king. I
responsibility.
can do whatever I want.
Only hope.
Stay calm. Focus. And roar.
Nirmala,
We're trapped! Led by a lion with a scar across his eye. Now leave and never come back!
A son who abandons his mother?
must kill him.
You look different with that scar and surrounded by outlanders.
Fires. Sometimes what's left behind can grow better than the generation before. I've given you a chance.
The lion actually had a roar powerful enough to send Balio flying. The lion with the mark of evil is mine.
Our place is with We'll be divided forever.
We won't let you invade the pride.
What's happened to
We have only one choice.
Never let it go!
The roar. It has finally returned.